I had two of these Waveshare RP2040 screens lying on my desk and saw an acrylic skull in the supermarket, and from that this project just built itself. One of the easiest projects that I've worked on in a while. Let me tell you all about it. Happy Halloween! Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, Pico 2, Robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join the community. This is my 3-minute summary on this Halloween special of building this little skull with these couple of eyes. If you've got time, why not check out the full video? The Waveshare RP2040 LCD 1.28 is a watch-size LCD display with 240 by 240 pixels driven by an RP2040. This one has an IMU but no touch interface. The touch version I've looked at previously. This device has only 2 megabytes of flash, unlike the 4 meg on the touch version, but it's got many more GPIOs exposed, including those that are used to drive the screen and the IMU, plus SWD, which is great for debugging in Flash. I've shared the code for this project on GitHub and it's based on LVGL. This gives me easy ways to convert an image of an eye into a C object via their online tool. Then 4 lines of code to place that on the screen and move it around. To make that look right, I need to add a bit of a mask of the eyelids. I can do this using chroma key to pure green. To sync the two eyes, I declare one as dominant, which has the time and pupil movement instructions. It then sends that information to the other eye to tell it to move over UART1, which gives you the skull with 2 eyes that move under one's control. If you like this video and it helps your learning or projects, why not drop me a cash tip using the super thanks button below the video. Remember, I'm saving these up to get myself to open source in San Francisco next year with the other makers, and I appreciate your help in getting me there, and I'd like to see you there too. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Happy Halloween everyone!